What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this video, I want to talk about XRP again, and we want to focus on the escrow, right? I think this is definitely a topic that comes up quite a bit. Anytime I talk about XRP, I see it in the comment section. They're always like, "Hey, I like what you talk about with XRP. I like what everybody else says about this project as well. I just can't get past the fact that Ripple is basically dumping on the rest of the world, the rest of the holders, the investors, right? And I understand where you're coming from. As you know, XRP plans to release, or Ripple plans to release 1 billion XRP per month, which honestly is a lot, right? That's around, 1%, or at the moment it's around 2% of the overall supply of, adding that much. That's a lot, right? 1 billion is a lot to add every single month when it comes to the amount of tokens. Obviously, the amount of dollars is halved because it's at 50 cents per coin, or a little bit less yesterday. But the point is that they're adding more. And if you see any type of dilution, you know that I'm not the biggest fan of dilution at all. XRP does not have the largest amount of dilution that I've seen. Like, you look at so many other projects and they have way more dilution, but their strategies are varying, right? Whether it happens based on use or it happens based on a certain period in time, right? You might have 12 months, 24 months that go by until you actually have those tokens that are added, or coins that are available to unlock. So we don't know the full process. However, you know the process of XRP. You know that Ripple is going to release 1 billion per month. About the one month, or the one time, it seemed like they only released maybe 100 million in a matter of 3 months. But then they've been ramping that up a little bit more as of late. So I wanted to talk about the release of 1 billion more XRP. Um, the increase in the amount of the circulating supply when we look over on coin market cap, and the impact that it would have to the ultimate price as well as the current price, if it does have any. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel, whether you want to join Patreon or Twitter. Those links are there. As well as if you want to check out Margex, which is a fantastic leverage trading platform that allows you to trade up to 100x leverage, really low fees, and you can trade different things at different leverages. So the BTC will be 100x leverage that you could trade at, from 5x to 100x. Jasmy coin could be from 5x to 50x. XRP could be from 5x to 50x, and so on and so forth. Feel free to check out that link down below. If we look at XRP's price, which we did, we're going to look at it briefly in this video. It's currently at 52 cents. We're seeing a $28.8 billion market cap of $1.3 billion worth of volume. Now, if we look closer at the circulating supply, we're seeing 55.35 billion, now at 55.36%, compared to the last time that I looked at it, which was 55.13. So they've added quite a bit with what has been supported to, or what has been reported to coin market cap. However, we have this article: Ripple unlocks 1 billion XRP from Escrow. How will this impact the price? So on-chain data recently showed that Ripple carried out its monthly escrow unlock for May as expected. This has raised concern about how it could affect the XRP price, especially since Ripple has been accused of manipulating the token's price. Ripple unlocks 500 million XRP tokens. On-chain data reveals 500 million XRP tokens. On-chain data revealed that 500 million XRP tokens were unlocked from Ripple's escrow on May 1st. The crypto firm is known to unlock 1 billion tokens monthly, although it looks to have only unlocked half this time around. The magnitude of these tokens always raises concerns, considering the negative impact they could have on the altcoin's price if they dumped on the market. Now, further analysis on the on-chain data shows that Ripple sent 300 million XRP out of the unlocked tokens to an escrowed account. Meanwhile, the crypto firm sent the remaining 200 million tokens to another wallet. Considering that the 200 million XRP tokens weren't sent to escrow, Ripple may have plans to sell them at some point, although it has yet to do so. It is also worth mentioning that Ripple received another 500 million XRP tokens from an unknown wallet. However, these funds were immediately sent to escrow account. As such, the community can heave a sigh of relief, since most XRP tokens Ripple received in the last 24 hours have been sent back to escrow. Talks about Ripple dumping on the market resurfacing. Now, obviously, you're going into a little bit more detail there, talking about how people don't really believe that that's the right way to go, that Ripple will decide to dump on the entire market, and they're not fans of Ripple dumping XRP and kind of selling on investors in a way. Um, People like the Ripple's chief technology officer have clarified that crypto firms XRP sales do not impact the crypto token's price. Moreover, Ripple already discontinued programmatic sales, which means that that its transaction cannot affect the prices on crypto exchanges. Ripple also noted that its recent court filing and its ongoing legal battle against the SEC, that it had taken measures to ensure its institutional sales did not violate securities laws. This suggests that Ripple conducts its sales over the counter to avoid further scrutiny from the commission. At the time of writing, the token is trading around 50 cents, over 2% in the last 24 hours, according to the data from CoinMarketCap. So the point is that I think a lot of people still feel that this will have a massive impact. For me, I don't think in the long term it has a massive impact. I think we're looking at kind of apples and oranges here. Yes, you're trying to look at the short-term impact and you're like, okay, yeah, it could have the price, right? We could see this at a $30 billion market cap or 40 or whatever $billion market cap and see the price be cut in half because of all of the supply that is released. I would love to see the Band-Aid ripped off. Either the Band-Aid ripped off or the supply or the escrow completely burned. The thing about it though, and I would say that we could have possibly had that happen to where escrow is completely burned or not used, right? Because I think right now, when you think about the escrow, in my mind, they would use the excess money to support their lawsuit and continue to fight to get clarity on what is a security and what isn't, understanding that portion of it. However, there's no evidence to saying that that's where the money truly is going. The things that we do see is it's being released to the public, and that's how that's happening. But I don't expect to see a major impact long term to the overall price, to the overall journey, and to the overall mission of what XRP will be. So is it a problem that escrow may be dumped on the market by a matter of a billion or 2% that's of the supply that's added to the market every single month? No. With the amount of money that flows through this, the amount of coins that goes through XRP, if we go over to CoinMarketCap and just go to the main screen for all coins, and we see XRP, it shows exactly how much in volume we've seen. So we're looking at 2.6 billion that we've seen in volume in the last day. 2.6 billion in the last day. We're talking about in a month, and we're going to see 1 billion maybe that gets released within that month, right? That's going to be a basically 1% of the overall volume that happens there, and immediately that's probably going to be picked up. Now the problem is that that's more of a negative impact that adds to whatever the negative impact is on that day or during that month. Overall, if you've seen this many buy orders and this many sell orders, what does this many sell orders really give you that's a difference, right? Now, if you see it 50-50, where it's like it's either above or below 1%, right? Now this makes a little bit of a difference. Now it's more negative, right? That's the way that I look at it. It's not a major impact. Would I love to see that escrow completely burned off or locked up? Yes. But I don't think that would happen anytime soon, because they still have the case that's going on, and they definitely want to have, in my opinion, that inflow of cash that could support their overall case in a way. So, guys, let me know what you think about the escrow. Do you believe that it's hurting? Do you want to see it gone? Do you want to see it added? Do you want the Band-Aid ripped off? I want to know your opinion on what you believe about this. But, guys, if you could, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.